Hello, it's Glamstract here. Another day, another foundation review. And today's foundation is by Clarins. It's a Skin Illusion Foundation. This shade that I've picked in this foundation is the 108 Sand. I would say this is a perfect match for me-ish, because it is very slightly darker than my skin tone, more on the yellow side, while myself I'm more of a neutral. But it works perfectly on the skin. This is what the foundation bottle looks like outside of its box. It's a I think it's gorgeous. I love this sort of foundation bottles that comes with like a squeezy thing on the top. I just found them very luxurious, very unique and cute. I just love them. Like, because you screw them and to reveal the foundation that you can then squeeze out. So cool. Just before we skip to makeup application, I just want to remind you, please follow me on my Instagram. It's at Glamstract. I upload pictures every now and then of makeup looks that I've created, and yeah, it's nice to have a support there. Why not? Thank you. I have my usual skincare down, the Mega Mushroom line by Origins, and also prepped and primed my skin with a vitamin Enriched face base by Bobbi Brown. The product out. Like that. This is what the foundation looks like, quite runny. That's absolutely fine. Just gonna take my usual Dior number 12 foundation brush to apply with. The smell of this foundation is gorgeous. It reminds me of my favorite tree ever, which is the mimosa tree. It smells so nice. It's not as strong as the actual mimosa tree smell, but it has a hint of that. I haven't actually read the ingredients. Okay, I'll do it in a second. I'm gonna read behind the box what it says. I have used this foundation before, of course, and that's why now I'm here on YouTube to give you a quick insight about this, and hopefully I'll help you making a decision if you were thinking of purchasing it. I can just tell you right away that this is an awesome, beautiful foundation. I have nothing bad to say about this. It's honestly one of those foundations that literally feels like a second skin. So the name of the foundation itself is very accurate, Skin Illusion. It feels really natural on the skin. It feels super hydrating on the skin. It smells awesome. It's just gorgeous. I mean, you can see for yourself. Look how smooth and gorgeous, and a little hint of glow that this foundation gives you. Now, of course, I'm standing in front of a natural daylight, so the light is bouncing quite strongly on my face. So it seems like this foundation is like woo, but it's not actually this glow, and it's a beautiful glow. Very soft and subtle, and it does a good job in covering everything without feeling too heavy on the skin, which is a big plus for me, because I love a light to medium coverage, but this still covers any imperfection. And boom, we got the whole foundation applied all over the skin. Gorgeous. Oh my god, this foundation I think is a great summer foundation, because the level of hydration, the level of glow, and the level of thin consistency, it just feels so comfortable on the skin. It just reminds me of like summertime. I just want to read very quickly a few claims that this foundation has and claims to be, however you say it. So it's bare skin effect, natural radiance, serum texture. I do agree with that. That's the word I was looking for by when I meant thin consistency, very hydrating, very light, serum texture. That's spot on. Let skin breathe. Absolutely, the skin feels comfortable. It doesn't feel like got anything on the skin. It's enriched in plants, anti-pollution complex, skin hydration and sun protection, because it does have SPF 15. Not a lot of SPF. I think it really speaks for itself. I don't need to add anything else to it. It's just so beautiful. Look at the glow. If I was at the seaside at the moment, I would just put this on, nothing else, no powder, nothing. Just slap this on, go to the beach. So good. And now very quickly off camera, I'm gonna go and do the rest of my face, and I'll come back very shortly. And I'm back, so that's it. So this is the full face completed. I apply a little bit of powder, bronzer, blush, a little bit of highlighter, why not? Everything extremely soft, a little bit of concealer. So my final thoughts, love it. Beautiful. I don't want to repeat myself because I already said that it's gorgeous, hydrating, lightweight, perfect for summertime. I just said it again. Awesome. So yeah, I think we are towards the end of this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video, but also give it a thumbs up if you didn't like this video, because why not? Let's spread that love. And while you're here on my YouTube channel, why don't you just click the button to subscribe? Also follow me on my Instagram. You can find me there at Glamstract as well. And what else can I say? Thank you very much for watching again, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye.